This looks bad. Our men are surrounded by yellow turbans.
It is the height of foolishness to set up camp on a narrow path when you have such numbers.
Yeah, but look on the bright side. Now we get to rescue them.
Yes.
You finished talking?
Do this right.
Let's get on with it, UN.
Yeah! Oh, whoa! Whoa!
Words are not needed for him. Impressive.
We just need to pummel the yellow turbans, right? Let's get this over with then.
I must defeat you. My duty demands it. Now come and face me.
Someone come to my aid. Without me, there can be no victory.
Looks like one of our superiors needs our help, cousin. We'd better give him a hand. Soaked in flame! Just one left. I knew they'd be no match for us.
Thank you. You've saved me.
Your
Fight this
time is
battle
up.
with everything. Even with my knowledge, I could not best you.
Another victim has fallen before me.
Magnificent. Be sure to call by my camp later, and you will be duly rewarded.
This chaos is the perfect opportunity to embark on our quest to conquer the land.
I know that as well as anybody.
Come, let us go.
The enemy is led by Zhang Qiao. Let's make sure we defeat him before the Imperial troops grab the glory.
Fight me now for glory. I must retreat. This is not the end.
Another victim has fallen before me.
I shall return. Remember that. For yours is the first head I shall seek. A true warrior indeed. You will carry our honor across the land.
You understand, don't you? You see the path I must walk.
It is of no concern to me where you go, my lord. My only task is to keep your path safe.
Sounds like something's up in the eastern village. Perhaps we should take a look.
Help us, please! The yellow turbans are attacking.
There is no way through, you fools. You'll be crushed to death.
Soaked in flame! Could be tough to get by.
Thank you. Please, accept this as a token of our gratitude.
at a clear disadvantage. Maybe our tactics can carry us through. You think you can outsmart me? Don't make me laugh. Even with my knowledge, I could not best you.
Another victim has fallen before me.
Gods in heaven, grant me strength. May the winds keep our comrades safe from harm.
There's a cliff to the south we might be able to climb. Want to give it a try?
What the?
Got carried away in the moment. Now say your prayers.
Stuffed in flesh, so you're my next opponent. I'll crush you like all of the others.
Believe it. I've never met someone so strong.
I can't believe I lost to someone as strong as you. I can't believe I lost to someone as strong as you.
Has already burned out. Fools who would defy heaven's will, feel its fiery fury.
What a hot.
Flames of judgment! Turn the infidels to ash!
Very showy. But I'm sure there's some way to extinguish your little fire.
fool! This must be another trial! What is it that you wish to achieve by defeating me?
An end to the conflict. Nothing more.
You fool! The Han's days are over. Defeating me won't stop anything at all.
It is not my task to read the future. All I need do is follow my lord.
You blind, pathetic fool. You may find your loyalty is rewarded with heartless betrayal.
He has been dealt with. The conflict is over.
I will continue to rely on you.
We said we were fighting for the good of the land. Men flocked to our cause, and we claimed victory. But among those men were evildoers like Dong Zhuo. Now he has ultimate power, and it seems our efforts were all for naught. I don't know if the Han will ever be able to bring peace to this land.
A fine speech. Very rousing.
Yes, well, we must stop Dong Zhuo. You owe me, remember? You're going to help. Got that?
What is it?
My lord, Dong Zhuo wants to see you.
Cao Cao. You made quite a name for yourself at the Yellow Turban Rebellion. I can tell you have potential, which is why you should come serve me.
What do you mean by that?
Slaughter all who oppose us. Help me create a land in my image.
And what kind of land would that be?
Isn't it obvious? A land filled with food, wine, and women. My very own personal paradise.
I see. A very admirable goal indeed. However, there is no room in such a world for any other than yourself. I have no inclination to serve another.
You are a fool. You give me no choice but to put you to death as well.
I might have known they'd have set an ambush. Still, we must not fall here. I have to get out of this enclosure first and foremost.
We need more men! There he is! Get him! So you are my next opponent. I'll crush you like all of the others.
Lord Cao Cao, I will help you escape. A life as valuable as yours must not be lost here.
Who are you? And why would you help me?
My name is Chen Gong. My conscience can no longer endure Dong Zhuo's tyranny. Quickly, this way.
So, you're keeping wild animals now?
I am Lu Bu. You must be the fleeing rat.
Lu Bu is a man of extraordinary might. He must be avoided at all costs.
There's no one out there who can beat me.
Powerless before me. Surrender or die.
I won't forget this.
My ambition cannot be stopped.
If I recall correctly, a tiger is kept in a cage here. If we let it loose, the enemy will be thrown into disarray.
A tiger on the loose! Great rewards await he who claims the head of Cao Cao. He must not be allowed to escape.
I shall return. Remember that. For yours is the first head I shall seek.
Charge! Don't let him get away!
You are powerless before me.
The only way to stop that is to take down the commander.
Take one step back. You fight me now for glory.
Excellent! Now quickly, we must make haste. Our path is blocked. We'll have to find some way to clear the obstruction.
That weapon, I could probably use it myself.
You should be safe from here. It is time for me to take my leave. This land needs a hero like yourself. May the gods favor you, Lord Cao Cao.
Just go tidy things up.
You knew this would be dangerous, didn't you?
I wish to see this Dongtua with my own eyes.
I don't know how long I'll last doing stuff like this. Maybe I should get out of the bodyguard.
Then maybe I'll get you a guard dog like Blue Boo.
No.